Today, we'll demonstrate how to wire a Dwyer pressure sensor for use with your MAIT system. To do this, you will need a pair of side cutters, your MAIT screwdriver, and some wire cut to length. We recommend using 0.75mm squared shielded cable, especially in electronically noisy environments. The standard pressure sensors we supply can be cabled up to several hundred meters. However, a typical application cable length of 10 to 50 meters is more common. First, you are going to need to separate the top of the pressure sensor from the body. Gently pull them apart and set aside the body for now. Remove the screw from the top of the plastic and insert the screwdriver into the hole. Gently push until you feel the pin connector slide out. Feed one end of your cable through the nozzle and out the bottom, then strip the end of each wire. Your 12-volt supply wire will need to be wired into pin 1, and the other wire will be wired into pin 2. The former will be wired into your 12-volt port, and the latter into the appropriate input port on your MAIT board at the other end. Ensure each wire is secure and tight. Feed your pin connector back into the nozzle, reattach the body of the pressure sensor, and tighten the screw back into the hole on top. With all of these steps being completed, you are ready to begin installing your Dwyer pressure sensor.